Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to register a CRA account for the first time. First, open any browser and type in CRA Canada login. Click on the first link you see. You'll land on the sign in page, but scroll down a bit to find the option to register for a CRA account. There are three ways to create your account: using a sign-in partner, creating a CRA user ID and password, or through a provisional partner. Each option fits different situations, so choose the one that works best for you. If you're unsure, click on Find the best option for your situation. This will explain which method suits you based on your current status. For example, if you choose a provisional partner, click on it. You'll see a list of partners. Select one and fill out all the required information. Agree to the terms, submit your details, and your CRA account will be created. And that's all it takes to register a CRA account for the first time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out our next video for more tutorials.